Today, we're making the most incredible shawarma you've ever tasted. Watch how we prep like pros. 1 onion, slice it up with precision. Tomato goes next, 8 perfect pieces, juicy and fresh. Smoked meat cut into thin, oblong strips, each slice a flavor powerhouse. Mozzarella slice. Get those thin, delicate cuts ready. Vegetable oil shimmering in the pan, heat rising. Pork cubes drop in. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. Golden brown is our mission. Dry garlic sprinkled generously for that incredible aroma. Ground pepper adds a subtle kick. A pinch of salt to elevate the flavors. Italian herbs bring that Mediterranean magic. Fresh rosemary, our secret weapon of flavor. Smoked meat joins the sizzling party. Quick fry, getting those crispy, irresistible edges. Pita bread, our delicious canvas. Ketchup first, adding that tangy excitement. Mozzarella slices layer in creamy, melty goodness. Roasted pork scattered perfectly, golden and rich. Tomato chunks, bringing fresh, juicy brightness. Time for our magic sauce. Olive oil meets chopped garlic. Just a little. A perfect, flavor-packed drizzle that changes everything. Roll it up tight shawarma taking shape. Grill pan heating up, getting those beautiful char marks. Sear both sides to crispy perfection. You're the chef that turns simple ingredients into pure magic. Cut with care. Serve with pride. Those juices? Pure culinary magic. Pork, smoked meat, cheese, tomato, a flavor explosion in every bite. This is why I create for you. Every detail, every second, crafted with love. Like, subscribe, our delicious journey continues.